A very good morning to all my dear students of class 7. This is the last class before your half yearly examination 2020. After completion of the syllabus, I have given you revisions from all the books: Living English book, the Arabian Nights long reading text, and Elementary English grammar and composition book. At this point of time, just before 2 days before the exam, 2-3 days before the exam, I would suggest you all to read the chapters thoroughly 2-3 times and then read the question answers provided from the chapter. I would request you all, do not mug up the question answers. Try to understand the chapter. Try to know the vocabulary. Try to know the plot construction. Read the question 2-3 times. Do not mug it up. And have enough confidence that whatever question is given, according to the question, you will be able to answer them. So be confident, read them, try to understand, do not mug up. For grammar also, read the definition, try to understand the exercise, see my videos time and again for both grammar and literature, and then you read the exercise. Do not mug them up, just read them, try to understand. And you will have centralized question paper, and you may have question from inside the books, from any line, any part of the chapters and all, so try to understand them. So this revision work is from page number 94, which is revision test 4 from your book. From here I will tell you to do some revision work. Now complete the sentences given below with correct prepositions. You are having 10 sentences. You have to fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Okay, so you will fill in the blanks. This is a common thing for preposition, we all do. And for doing the prepositions chapter, I told you to prepare the appropriate preposition list as well as the examples prepositions that are there. So appropriate prepositions, words followed by preposition, is also very, very, very important for you all. And the prepositions of place, time and all, everything I explained to you, you just prepare them and try to solve it. Now fill in the blanks. Come to question number C. Fill in the blanks in the passage with correct preposition. Here also you have to fill in the blanks with correct preposition. Okay, this also you can do. Next come question number D. Match the following column A with B. So here conjunctions are given. With the second part of the sentence, you have to match them. I hope you can do these things nicely. Do this in your copy. Next you write the answers of these questions in your copy. All are 2 marks questions. What nickname did the kids in school give August? You know what nickname? How did Summer's mother feel when she first saw August? Okay. What is the cause Malala wants to devote her life to? You can answer. What did the poetess see in the poem of One World? What was Dr. Gorey's poltergeist? Did Dr. Gorey put the thermometer under the patient's tongue? What did the poet want the man to do in the poem Antigonish? What is the name of the Japanese girl, a train station for a student? 60 seconds to win. What would the winner get? Forgotten lies the world below. You will write the name of the poem and the poet. So these are the questions I have given you. You just answer. Read all the chapters. One student asked me once in the class group whether to leave any chapter. No, there are 9 chapters, 3 in each unit of Living English book. Read them thoroughly. Read them nicely. Read the chapters and also all the answers I have given you. And for tick the correct answer, read the text and answers I have given you. Just read, you can answer. Okay. So read Arabian Nights book. Everything you prepare properly. And if you have any problem, you have my phone number. You have my WhatsApp number. You can call me. Okay, so best of luck, and I hope all of you will be able to answer all the questions in half yearly examination that will start from 21st of this month, and follow the instructions given in your class for uploading the video, for uploading the PDF of written part, and do not panic. Since it is online exam, do not panic. You will have 2 hours 3 minutes time. Read the questions, follow the technical part, do it patiently. Do not opt for the wrong option in a hurry, and write all the answers. Do not leave any question. For the photo taking part, have enough patience. You can upload the photo. Do not panic. Follow the instructions given in your class group. So bye for today. Okay. See you after the half yearly examination.